natural blonde. Girl, you're lopsided anyways. I knew that. I'm so sorry. That whole water situation was my fault. The water situation was my fault. I spilled it on you on purpose. I'm sorry. Yeah, we ate it.
Because my team is not here at all. And Mayana's transferring.
Yeah, she transferred.
Wow.
What is y'all doing?
We're filming behind the scenes. Are y'all putting this at the end of y'all film?
Yeah.
Ooh, Lord.
Thank you to Tyrone or Riley for recording this. Thank you.
Tyrone, the third leg.
We got Abby.
Which is, what's your name? Doritos?
Yeah, this is Abby DeVito, and I'm the bully in the film and the best looking one. My name is Lace.
Wait, so it's just y'all?
Yeah, it's just us two. Us two.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah? Can y'all be in our film first after we done? Because Mayana is not even here no more, so we have to change our, like...
What do you mean she's not here no more? Why not? Use my stitch, but it's not very soon. I'm using the two papers. I don't care. Ooh! Oh, I had to double it. Look at the camera real quick, Abby. That big forehead.